What is visionary leadership? Visionary leadership is a business leadership style that focuses on a long-term plan for the future. A strong visionary leader has a clear idea of the future, which they communicate to their employees to foster a community of collaboration and teamwork. Ang ibig niyang sabihin ay nakapokus siya sa future at yung idea na naisip niya ay sinishare niya sa kanyang mga employee, and that's why nagiging long term ang isang company. Bakit nga ba naging mahalaga ang isang visionary leadership sa isang kumpanya? Dahil ang isang visionary leadership ay may natatang aspekto o skill tulad ng forward thinking, plan-oriented, creative, effective at communicating, optimistic. Forward thinking. The key leadership skill of a visionary leader is that they have a compelling vision for the future and are always assisting progress toward that goal. They proactively identify potential problems in the business model and conceive effective solution before those problems develop. Ano nga ba ang forward thinking? Sila yung mga na iniisip yung mga susunod na maaaring posibleng maging problema. Iniisip nila yung mga posibilidad na pwede mangyari. Kaya naiwasan nila yung pagkalugi ng isang kumpanya. Plan-oriented. Ano nga ba ang plan-oriented? In addition to maintaining a clear vision of the big picture, many visionary leaders have a strategic plan to achieve a particular result from quarterly initiative to annual size targets. An effective visionary leader knows what steps they and their team need to take to reach their ultimate goals. At isa pa, sa plan-oriented, ito yung mga problema dapat pinag-uusapan ng miyembro or kasama ang mga leader. Dahil para aware ang lahat ng mga nasa company na hindi sila magkakamali sa kanilang plano. At dahil sa plan-oriented, maging mahaba ang takbo ng isang kumpanya. At dito naman tayo sa effective at communicating. A visionary leader needs a motivated team behind them to make the new vision a reality. This requires the leader to have strong interpersonal and communication skill, which enable him to communicate their goal effective, get everyone on the same page, and inspire team members. Ang ibig daw sabihin na ay kailangan daw ng isang team na motivated, yung consistent, at hindi lang yun. Dapat ang isang leader ay may katangian ng strong interpersonal and communication skills. Bakit nga ba mahalaga ang pagkakaroon ng isang communication skills sa isang leader? Dahil doon mo makukuha ang isang chemistry or tawagin nating isang trust o tiwala na mabubuo mo sa pakipag-usap sa kabilang leader. Optimistic. Ano ka ba optimistic? By focusing on the future, a visionary leader will use their energy to boost morale and motivate the team to continue working toward the future rather than dwelling on small setbacks. Ibig sabihin nun, binubus niya yung moral at minamotivate niya yung kanyang mga subordinates or employee. Kung baga, sa madaling salita, pinapalakas niya yung loob ng kanyang mga empleyado para sa kanilang goal or future. Dito naman tayo sa creative. Visionary leader are effective at thinking outside of the box or beyond the status since they have a clear vision of the future and they're willing to take calculated risks and experiment in order to achieve it. Ibig sabihin dahil meron siyang clear vision, kahit niya yung tinatawag na calculated risk. para makalikha ng isang idea o kung ano man para sa kanyang goal. At yun lang po ma'am, salamat.